Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Tonight on Thirsty Thursday Cocktails, we're going to visit another drink that can make you nice and warm and comforted on a rather chilly evening. This is going to be a bourbon-based Boulevardier. And the nice thing about the Boulevardier is that it doesn't require a lot of ingredients and it's pretty simple to make. You just need to ensure you have the 3 ingredients for this cocktail and you can make it tonight. First of all, we're going to use a really good bourbon, of course. Tonight's choice is the Russell Reserve 10-year bourbon that is 90 proof. I selected Russell's because it's got a lot of barrel notes that tend to really balance well with the complexity and flavor notes of a Boulevardier. Second, we need a Sweet Vermouth. Sweet Vermouth is a fortified wine with a flavor profile that often includes notes of vanilla, caramel, and dark fruits and spices. My choice for tonight is the CinZano. It has a great flavor profile and a lovely red color. Next, we need Campari. Campari is a very interesting spirit. It is a blend of anywhere from 10 to 70 herbs, flowers, and roots that's then infused into a high alcohol and sweetened with syrup. All those herbs and roots tend to lead to a little bit of a bitter note, which complements and balances the sweetness of the vermouth. So before preparing this cocktail tonight, Wayne and I decided to try out several recipes to see which one had the balance that we personally enjoyed most. We're going to use our bourbon. And again, I am making 2. And for this recipe, we're using 1.5 ounces of bourbon. You can mix this drink directly into your cup. That's especially useful if you're going to serve it with an ice ball later. But I'm going to be serving it in these lovely glasses instead because I'm not looking for a really cold drink on ice tonight. I want something that's a little more warming. So I'm going to allow it to chill as I'm mixing the ingredients. But you can do it either way. So next we're going to use the CinZano Sweet Vermouth. And for that, we want 1 ounce. You can already see that great redness of this drink filling that, and it looks lovely. Finally, we will add the Campari. And again, this brings some of those bitter notes that's going to bring balance to the drink so it's not overly sweet. And I will say also it adds a nice floral note to it and also a great color. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I'm liking this already. So we're letting that chill, and I'll just give it a light stir. There's not a lot to mix here, so it's not like we need to stir it to death. I just want to make sure it's mixed evenly, and we have an opportunity for that ice to interact, perhaps melt just ever so slightly, and then we'll be ready. And I think that's sufficient. Now that this is all mixed, now we're going to put it into our cocktail glasses. And I think this Coupe Glass is just lovely. And we're serving this without ice. Again, it's going to preserve a lot of the flavors. So let's go ahead and get some orange prepared. You could put a cherry in here, but commonly orange peel or lemon peel is used. I'm really fond of an orange peel. Just squeeze that to get some of that in there. Always want to go around the rim of the glass and then let it slide in there. And there you have 2 absolutely beautiful Boulevardiers. Let's try it now. Cheers. Oh, what I'm enjoying on this, There's this super fragrant nose coming off of it. As soon as your lips touch the glass, you get that little bit of the orange zest coming through with the orange oils. And then all the different notes, including the bourbon, which plays very well with these. It's complementary. It's not too strong of a proof at 90, but yet those flavors are good. And then we have, oh, the sweetness of that sweet vermouth coming through on the palate. And those herbal and floral notes from the Campari really balance it out in a great way. I hope you will give this drink a try, and I can't wait for you to join us next week to see what we're going to be doing. So happy Thirsty Thursday cocktails, and please try the BOOL-LUH-VARRR DEE-AY. Cheers.